In this lecture, we will learn what C# is and why we should use it. If you're going to spend several hours on a course about C# programming, you should know a little bit about the language and why you should learn it. Spelled C#, and pronounced C#, C# was released back in 2001 and has grown to be one of the most popular programming languages in the world. Microsoft created the language during the development of the .NET framework. The C# programming language is very similar to C and C++, but is a different programming language with different syntax. However, it is still a C-based programming language. The latest version of C# is 8.0, and this course has a whole section dedicated to going over its latest features as of that version. There are many reasons why C# is so widely used. It is a modern, general-purpose programming language. It is object-oriented. It is component-oriented. It is easy to learn. It is a structured language. It produces efficient programs. It can be compiled on a variety of computer platforms, and it is part of the .NET framework. There are several important features in C#. C# features Boolean conditions, automatic garbage collection, standard library, assembly versioning, properties and events, delegates and event management, easy-to-use generics, indexers, conditional compilation, simple multi-threading, linQ, lambda expressions, and integration with Windows. These are just some of the features that make C# such a powerful and widely used programming language. C# is the fourth most popular programming language, and about 31% of developers use it regularly. More than 17,000 C# jobs are advertised each month with an average salary of $72,000 and over. In the US alone, there are 6,000 jobs advertised for each month with an annual salary of $92,000. In the next lecture, we will take a look at what happens under the hood of a computer when we run a computer program.